First thing we're going to talk about in today's video is these mini bulbs that you could attach to your turn signals, your reverse lights, and your brake lights, because these pack a punch for a small package. I mean, these are 1,600 lumens, and you could tell these just cast a light. When I go park in my carport at my apartment complex, it lights up the entire apartment building, and these are just turn signals. And this is the lower setting. Let me turn on my hazards, that way you can see how bright these really are. So with hazards on, these are a lot brighter. I mean, like my face is probably orange on camera right now, and there's probably a big back shadow happening right now. These are amazing, and I believe for two, they're like 20 or 30 bucks. That is incredible. It's really a slept-on lighting mod, and it just changes the game super well. I'll show you the brake lights too. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. That's ridic. That is honestly ridic in a good way. And that is why I would install them again on my next truck. All these lighting mods today in this video is going to be Novsight, because Novsight is just incredible when it comes to lighting mods. However, I did want to do an honorable mention for something that deserves its own video in the future, and it is these boost auto mirrors. I would 100% install these on every truck I own. They've been amazing. I have the sequential tow mirrors with the spotlight, so let me show you the spotlight and then the white as well. And the cool part is you could turn on your accessory lighting during the day and have these on during the day. There's a lot of people that I see run these type of mirrors or off-brand style mirrors, and they don't run their signal lights during the day, and I always wonder if they know that they could turn it on during the day. So if you didn't know, now you know. These spotlights really help me back up at night, because I haven't done the Novsight reverse lights yet. That's one of the next things I'll be doing. So it lets me see everything. So yeah, you kind of get the point. Okay, since I put the truck in reverse, I have to talk about the headlight bulbs, because this has been my first lighting mod on this truck, and it has been by far probably the most useful. I call them the beacons of God, and I get compliments on them all the time. These are the Novsight N70s, and these produce 50,000 lumens. They are offered in the low beam and high beam, and almost any type of bulb size. I also have the Novsight N99s on my Camaro, which is half of the lumens of this, and has been great. So they have options for headlight bulbs, but look at this. It is so ridiculously bright. Like, if you want power, go with the N70s. But if you want a little bit more conservative of an LED, the N99s are great too. I also have a video talking about them both more in detail, but let's focus on the N70s for now, because these have been very controversial. These have been very controversial in my friend group. I mean, look, they produce literally the beacons of God. And this isn't the high beams. And I'm not gonna use the high beams just yet, because I don't wanna blind those poor people over there. I mean, that's crazy. It's still blue hour, and there's literal beam, absolute Durpamax. Oh, now I need to make that a meme. Here's that meme right here. Each modification I'm talking about today has their own YouTube video on my channel. So if, like, for say, the headlights pique your interest, you can find those videos on my YouTube channel, except for the tow mirrors. Like I said, the Boost Auto tow mirrors, I'm gonna have to do a video quite soon. Okay, let's stop blinding people. Let's turn off these headlights and talk about the next mod. Oh, he's gonna go up there. Nicely done. My truck is way too big for that. Our next modification is actually app controlled. So if you guessed rock lights, you are right. And we're not on a public street, so let's turn on my favorite feature, the party mode. The rainbow of God. All right, although I'm not the Razor, I cannot go up the hill fully, but let's go up as much as we can with the rock lights to show these off. Okay, my CV axle is bad right now, so I'm not trying to do four-wheel drive too much, so let's see how far we could get up with just two-wheel drive. grabbing, it's sliding, it's sliding, it's sliding. All right. Maybe a little bit of four-wheel drive. Oh yeah, there we go. All right, that's all. That's as much as I want to do. So let's put this thing in reverse so I get the spotlights, and let's go down. This probably doesn't look too steep on camera, but it's steep, I promise. Especially for a 6,000 pound truck. Oop, that was probably a rut. And there you have it, the rock lights. I like them more as accessory lighting, but they are definitely functional too. Get ready to make fun of me in the comments because for some reason I thought I had 5 different Novsight mods, but I'm pretty sure I only have 4 after looking at them. So that bonus mod that we were mentioning about the boost auto mirrors, that's gonna be actually part of the video for sure and not a bonus. Well, yeah, just start berating me in the comments. I deserve it, I can't count. Hey, it's called the Durpamax, not the Smartamax, all right? I just wanna say that before you go roast me in the comments. That says Durpamax. With that being said, our 5th mod that we are talking about today is our Novsight X Series pod lights. Let me turn on the accessory lighting and show you guys what I'm talking about. Now the cool thing with these is they have daytime running lights. On the camera it looks like they're fully on, but I promise you they are just little X's. See? So you could run those during the day. They have white and amber along with these covers. So if you take these covers off that are orange, you could have a LED spotlight because the daytime running lights are their own color. So you could do white or amber with the daytime running lights, but you need to take off this cover if you want white LEDs for the spotlights. As you can see, the left side is amber and the right side is a LED spotlight. Now, for some reason, I have the right one lowered a little bit more than the left side, but I adjusted these from my trip doing a video on these pod lights themselves, and I just adjusted them how I liked them through the railroad tunnels, and if that's how they land, then that's how they land. If I want to adjust them, I still can. I kind of failed to talk about pricing today, but would you believe me if I told you with my discount code, these pod lights are only $80? Yes, with code Durpamax, you can save 20% off any Novsight mod that you do to your Duramax. The point I'm trying to get is if you like anything in today's video, you could save a lot of money if you use code Durpamax. So let's go down the road with these pod lights and let's end off today's amazing video. Oh, if you're curious what the high beams do, boop! All right, since my headlights are so bright, I'll stop real quick, turn off the lights, and this is the pod lights themselves. That's pretty crazy. For $80, that's just crazy. I still can't get over the pricing. All right, I have shown you every lighting mod I currently have and would install again if I had to get another Duramax. Let me know if I missed any lighting mods you think I should do to the Durpamax. And like I said, if any of these mods piqued your interest, I'm gonna leave all the videos I've done in the description down below. And at the end of this video, I'll have one specific video I think you're gonna enjoy the most Remember to use code Durpamax at Novsight's website so you could save 20% off of your order if you choose to buy anything here. And as always, derp to the max. See you in the next video.